Kind of want to start this off by saying this isn't a tech review. I'm not a tech review person. This isn't specs, and you can find that elsewhere. This is just thoughts and. Why I got this, why I'm using it, what do I think? Spoiler, I think it's pretty good. But I guess kind of best place to start is why get a folding phone that turns into a tablet thing? Why spend $1.5 grand on something so weird? Firstly, old phone, kind of busted. Secondly, is I'm a notebook guy. I like using a notebook. I'm a bullet journal boy. It's how I organize all my thoughts. It's how my brain dumps everything. It's because I have awful memory. However, the problem I kept kind of running into was like when I didn't have access to my notebook, or I'm out and about, I'm gonna be using a phone. So that quite often led to me sort of doubling up on notes. So like notes something down on my phone, then I had to like copy it over to my notebook. So it was just more hassle than it was worth. The plan is to put this in that. I guess sort of like the main example I can think of is like my calendar, because like I always kept a calendar in here. It's just how my brain do the thinking, planning out stuff, scheduling. Super handy. However, I also keep a calendar on my phone on the because I glance at this more than I don't glance at this. I actively had to think to use this, so I'm not glancing and quickly adding stuff. So quite often I would have things that were in one of them and not in the other, and it's just dumb. That's a long way down, isn't it? I wasn't expecting it to be a dip. And so now my alternative for this whole thing, other than a calendar, is an app. It's an app called Notion. You might have heard of it. It's so much better. Wind on the fucking... So this now basically does everything that I kind of wanted from my journal, and it just does it better. It just does it better now, just because it's like you can organize things a lot easier, whereas previously I'd be like, I've got a video idea in here, I'd have to like flick pack, and then look, I got like these little sticky notes to remind me of where certain things are, and using Notion though, everything's a lot more organized, and I can put things in certain places and easily find things at a later date there. The other upside to it is I also use it on my PC, which I was using previously, so now it just flows a bit better. I had tried using it on my old phone, however it was literally just the small screen just made it feel just really unpleasant to use, so I just wouldn't use it. So now all the notes I take on my PC I sync with my phone, and everything's in one place. Look at this fucking thing wobbling about. It's really fucking going for it. It's not even that windy. I mean, it's Bristol, it's always windy, but Jesus. What I wasn't expecting from this phone was gaming on it. I was kind of just expecting it to be a sort of productivity thing, but to my surprise, I've been playing a lot of games on it. Primarily old games emulated. That's my joy. And because of like the aspect ratio of it, it's like full nostalgia, 4:3. It's beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. I think when Pokemon Unite finally gets onto mobile, I won't even need my Switch. Like, look at these two. Like, footprint wise, this isn't that much bigger than this, but the screen is a whole lot bigger. I mean, honestly, once I kind of complete my backlog of games that I've kind of got lined up to play, I'm very tempted to get like Xbox Game Pass or something like that, just because I enjoy playing on handheld. Like, there's something about it, it's just very, very satisfying. But yeah, the other thing I love about this is it's kind of like a DS. So running old DS games on this, you kind of get the nostalgia of the folding screen like a DS. It's very fun. Very, very fun. I guess sort of like the only kind of inconvenience of the fucking thing is it is big. It's a fucking big boy. But you know, it does fit in a pocket. Like, if it's fine in a pocket. I mean, or if you're like me and always have a bag, there's always the option to toss it in there. So it's not a problem for day-to-day use, to be honest. I guess the only problem I'm having with the size is I would normally take my phone out while I'm running to listen to music, plug some headphones into it. Yeah, I can't do that with such a thick, weighty boy. That's not going in the running shorts, is it? I mean, my solution for that was to buy a smartwatch so I can listen to music on that rather than carrying my whole phone. But you know, it's just another cost. Let's talk about the pen, because it's pricey for what it does. Let's be real, this is a very elaborately priced stylus. Very glad I got mine free with the pre-order, and also very glad that I have one. The prime thing I'm using this for is for quick notes. I'll be real. The main use I've had currently is this fucking post-it note app on my fucking home screen. Just be able to quickly scribble something on here and then just it's on the home screen. That's the main thing I've been using this for. But also as someone that kind of does a lot of diagrams when planning certain things, where I'd previously be doing in a notebook or on post-its and then losing the post-its all in one place. The other thing I've noticed a lot of other reviewers saying is like, well, there's nowhere to hold the pen on the phone, and the case, there's only one case for carrying the pen. You can buy fucking pen loops, £5. You know, just for any case now has a pen loop. But yeah, would I recommend this phone tablet thingamajig to everyone? No. Would I recommend it to people kind of thinking about it already? Yeah, I think this thing is great. If you think you have a weird niche use for it, and you think it will help you work better, or you want to do something with it, and you think, oh, that's the device for it. It is the device for it. It is niche, but very good for a niche.